Dude, I've been
Yeah, there's like another little field.
I've been fucking with the beavers so bad with that. Cause you can see each little rivet that fucking mounds. Every time I just come and wipe it out, dude, it would start overflowing.
Who's leading? I don't know which way we're going. Hill climb way or easy way?
Johnny.
For his bike, the hill climb?
No.
I don't know.
You should be able to do it.
We can pull him up.
If I drop it, I drop it. Who gives a fuck?
It shouldn't be bad. It's only
we
bad.
can take him up the normal way. I don't know.
Yeah. We could pull him up, Johnny.
Alright.
It's not steep, it's just technical because it's stumps.
Alright.
There's one like line that you can see, but it's like a swervy line, like fucking.
We'll
that.
stop at the bottom. If you don't like it, we can go the
just
other
turn
way.
around.
Okay.
My bike's dead.
It's in gear. Will it not start in gear? Try it now. Oh, what the fuck?
That's cool.
Loose battery connection?
Maybe. 2025. Okay, ready? Nothing. It's not locked up.
You don't have a kill switch on, do you?
No.
You want me to push you and you could try dropping in second gear?
Maybe.
Ready?
Yep.
Not enough traction. It's a 2025! Right, you shouldn't have issues. That's why you buy new shit. I wonder if it's a simple fucking...
The battery's not hooked up?
When they were putting it together, they never tightened down the battery cable. What do you need to get the seat off?
All the tools are up in my truck.
I have this toolkit on my bike.
Hey, why'd my truck and bike just hit the bed at the same time?
Oh, what the fuck? What is it to take the seat off? I got my screwdriver and shit.
Maybe an 8-mil.
I may have an open end wrench even. But... Oh yeah. You need to take the seat off?
No, it's just a PC bolt through here. So until I get to that whole side. Hold on. You want to hold it up? Yeah. Check the oil first.
Dave's bike won't start.
Got oil.
Yeah, I'm sure that's it.
Got it. It's ticking like a dead battery though, right? Like, dead.
Did the starter shift the gun already?
Yeah, I think it's more the battery power. It didn't seem like it was getting enough. So why my truck ain't like this? Getting EMP burst. Oh, here's the tick. Tick.
Good.
Alright, second gear bump start.
Yeah, you want to just run by that one. Well, it's not locked up.
No. Why is it always my shit?
I don't know.
Why are you smirking, Johnny?
I don't know.
Don't buy a Honda.
Bring it back here.
Yes, sir.
That's fucking...
Can you not jump new bikes?
No, you can. I've done it tonight. The hour meter's still active. Is it?
Yeah.
Do you think the hour meter?
No, that's the way one.
If it wasn't 0 a little earlier, that was good.
I put the fence and stuff. It's gonna blow me down.
Yeah, I would try that already.
First or second?
Try third. You keep fucking up with second. Try third. I would try third. I've got a higher third gear than that. Whatever you want. Yeah. Second should be working.
Fucking Honda.
Those one keys stay running. It's got no battery power at all.
It should still run.
Yeah, unless it's not making enough power to even keep it up. If there's an issue with your electrical system, it won't be able to spark even though it's got enough. Like you just had enough power to let it spark. Yeah, that was for a little while. Roll it back this way, guys.
The oil's at the right level.
That's not an oil thing. It's definitely electrical.
Really? I don't care. It goes forward.
Fucking walking over here.
Don't buy a 2025 Honda.
Hey, you just gotta fucking record this shit.
Looking good, Johnny.
What do you think you needed then?
Probably gonna be a 10.
2025 Honda, no start.
First ride of the season.
Second.
Buyer beware. Get a KTM or a Cowie.
All I got is a 10mm wrench, not a socket. Get it in there.
8.
I
Got an
don't
8.
think I have to. I got a set of pliers.
So my electrical seems like it's still intact. What's the starter do? Where's this thing? Gotta be something dumb.
I got these gay little things that came with the bike, and I have my Leatherman. I don't know which is worse. Don't fuck up the nut though if it's... Yeah, let's just go up to the house.
Want me to go get my truck?
Yeah, I have that
ramp.
tool bag that it might be in the back seat of my truck if I didn't take it out.
Or do you just want to just bring...
You want to bring the truck down here right now? It's all muddy and shitty.
Or we don't push it up?
Well, I was thinking, can it fit in the back of the Louis side-by-side?
Pause.
Even if somebody rides with it,
Drive
just...
my truck down here, dude. I'll break it.
Didn't they just... No, no. Your truck's
Broken.
kind of sort of...
Truck and bike.
Or...
It did great. I just went to go start it, and it ticked, 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 and then you guys took off.
That's definitely a starter.
Starter or battery?
Well, I'm thinking battery because you got it running and it wouldn't stay running.
But it shouldn't matter if there's...
If it doesn't have like the right voltage, if it has
Maybe the connections on the battery are just loose or something.
that's what Wyatt said.
Yeah, I don't know how it works, Stevie. Maybe it could run without a battery once it started, but
They should be able to. Because all that...
I know older shit can. I don't know about a brand new bike.
Yeah.
It's just doing anything. That's just the battery charger.
I mean, do you want me to just run and grab your toolkit?
it's kind of heavy for a bike.
Oh, yeah.
I got bungee cord. What type of toolkit is it?
It's like a
It's a
fucking
Milwaukee bag, but
100-piece fucking thing.
it's all together, so like the 8mm might just be randomly in the bag.
Is it a soft bag?
Yeah, it's a UO bag.
Milwaukee.
I'll strap it to the back of my bike.
Yeah, you can.
Right in the
Back
bed of
seat of
your
my truck, driver's side.
back seat of your truck.
Yeah. Ooh. Call my girlfriend and tell her my bike's broke.
Yeah, she'll love to hear that.
Yeah.
Remember, you didn't no electrical warranty either. Just tell them, dude, you were fucking breaking it in. You only have 1.1 hour, and fucking the thing shit the bed right after.
Maybe call. They're probably not open today.
Nah, they're not. Hey. My dirt bike broke.
Are you serious?
Yeah, no want to run no more.
Wait, what do you mean?
Just won't start.
It won't.
It won't start. It just started ticking after I turned it off, and then it stopped ticking.
All right, I'll be right back with your tool bag.
I don't think it's locked up, but we're just gonna check the battery, I guess. Got oil, so. Wyatt's gonna go grab my tool bag, but we might need a truck and then have to go to fucking Freedom Cycles. Alright. Love you too. Bye.
Dude, this is fucking
The oil level's good over there, right?
minty. Wait, where's it level? This.
It's about level, right?
Oh yeah, she's good.
Yeah.
I like how big that is.
Right? Isn't it nice?
What the fuck? That's fucking.
No, what, John? You going to Zins right now?
Oh. I did buy some Zins today.
What?
Alright, well, yeah. Can we go to the fucking
I'm just gonna go to the trailer here.
pond as the table and shit? We can.
Oh no, your bike might get bad juju.
That's.
It's. It has to be something stupid.
Oh yeah, it's probably like a ground or something. What's up, GoPro? Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
There you go for a push light. Push.
I could
I
probably
thought about
go
getting
for a
everything up here.
therapist after this. See, it just sounds like a dead battery, right?
Yeah.
Pulling power from somewhere. Got oil.
Well.
Do you think I could have just got it? Shit battery. Oh wait. Today's video was sponsored by Lucy's.
No, Zins. Wintergreen, the only way to go.
CV was throwing too much mud at me. I couldn't handle it.
You couldn't handle me. Wish we're not on brow.
Right? That would suck. I'm not taking this to brow for a little bit now.
I like this because right here for mine, my boots are already scuffed it the fuck up.
Oh, look how hot the header got. You don't think I blew it up, right?
I wouldn't start if you blew it up.
It's not starting. Oh, like over there.
Yeah. Even bump starting weren't started.
It would have made a weird
It
sound.
ran good for a second and then just bogged out.
Which it doesn't make sense why our bike's not doing it.
Why?
I was gonna say it's either a
Sitting.
wire is somewhere that's not supposed to get wet, getting wet, so it's going to short itself out until it dries up.
Could have popped